Welcome to our tutorial on filters hierarchy in Revit. In this session, we'll explore the hierarchy of two types of filters in Revit: selection filters and rule-based filters. To create a selection filter, we first select the desired elements and save the selection, which generates the filter. Next, we create a rule-based filter for the same category by selecting the category and applying specific rules to it. Once both filters are created, we add them to the view, assigning green to the selection filter and blue to the rule-based filter. Applying the selection filter to the view confirms that it functions as expected. When we apply the rule-based filter simultaneously, we notice that the selection filter remains active, while other elements follow the rule-based filter, demonstrating the hierarchical ranking of filters. If we change the order and place the rule-based filter first, it will take precedence and apply to all elements in the view. This showcases the impact of filter hierarchy in Revit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Revit tutorials.
For every project, there is a story that we narrate.